Welcome back. Now, another thing you can do is you can post an excerpt of your live stream once the recording has been completed to your social media sites. Now, obviously, the social media sites favor those videos that are native to their platform and those that you upload directly. So what you're going to do is you're going to go inside of your Creator Studio. Once you get inside of your Creator Studio, you're then going to look for the video that you want to post an excerpt of. You'll then need to go inside of your video manager. Once you get to your video manager, what you're going to do is you're going to go to this drop down arrow. You're then going to click download MP4. So in the case of Facebook, you'll just click the add photo or video button. You'll select the video. You'll write in your commentary and then you'll click post. In the case of LinkedIn, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your post area. You're then going to click share videos. You'll then grab your video and then you'll click upload. You'll write in your commentary and then you'll click post. In terms of Twitter, what you're going to do is click the tweet button. You'll then click this button where you have this file chosen. You'll grab your video. You'll click open with free conference call. Now Twitter is going to allow you to create an excerpt regardless. So it's only going to allow you a certain amount of time for your video to play. So you'll select your excerpt. You'll then click done. And then your post will update with your video. Now obviously if the goal is going to be for people to watch your live stream, you don't want to put the entire recording of your content on the social media sites. What you're going to do is you're going to pull it into your video editing software. In this case, we're using an older version of Camtasia. We're then going to pull this down to the timeline. We're going to select an excerpt. We're going to cut off most of it. And then we're going to put our call to action at the beginning and the end in terms of some kind of slide or overlay. And basically what you'll do with this edited video is you will remake the video with your call to action. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.